Welcome to an exciting journey into the world of cryptocurrency, where the future of money is being reimagined. In this video, we will briefly break down the complex world of cryptocurrency step by step, so you can understand what it is, where it came from, and how it's changing the way we think about money. There is so much to learn on this topic, but we hope to lay the foundation with this video. Let's begin with the basics. What exactly is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a form of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, cryptocurrencies are decentralized and operate on a technology called blockchain. A blockchain is like a digital ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers, ensuring transparency and security. Cryptocurrencies use complex cryptographic algorithms to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. New cryptocurrencies are created through a process called mining, which involves solving complex mathematical puzzles. Cryptocurrency mining is the process by which new units of a cryptocurrency are created and transactions on the blockchain network are verified and added to the public ledger, known as the blockchain. It is a crucial component of many cryptocurrencies, particularly those that use a proof-of-work consensus mechanism, like Bitcoin. When you make a cryptocurrency transaction, it's added to a block on the blockchain, forming an immutable record. Cryptocurrencies offer several advantages, such as faster transactions, lower fees, and the ability to make borderless transactions. Now, let's delve into the origin of cryptocurrency. The origin of cryptocurrency can be traced back to a combination of technological innovation and a desire for a decentralized form of digital currency. The concept of cryptocurrency was born in the early 2000s and was further developed in the following years. Cryptocurrency as we know it began in 2008 when a mysterious person or group named Satoshi Nakamoto published a white paper introducing Bitcoin. Nakamoto's white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, was published in October 2008. The white paper was authored by an individual or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin, introduced in the white paper, was designed as a decentralized digital currency that would operate on a peer-to-peer network, eliminating the need for intermediaries like banks. Nakamoto's vision was to create a decentralized currency that would be immune to the economic turmoil and manipulation often associated with traditional banks and governments. Since then, cryptocurrencies have evolved and multiplied, with thousands of different coins and tokens in existence today. Some notable networks include Ethereum, Cardano, Binance and Solana, each with numerous coins and tokens created on their respective blockchains. The power of blockchain. The backbone of cryptocurrencies is blockchain technology. Blockchain technology is a revolutionary and decentralized system of recording and verifying transactions across a network of computers. It was initially designed as the underlying technology for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but its applications have since expanded to various industries beyond finance. Let's explore how it works. At its core, a blockchain is a distributed ledger that is not owned or controlled by a single entity. Instead, it operates on a decentralized network of computers, often referred to as nodes. Each node on the network maintains a copy of the entire blockchain, ensuring that no central authority has sole control over the data. When a transaction is initiated, it's verified by nodes. A blockchain is composed of a series of blocks, with each block containing a set of transactions. Transactions can represent various types of data, such as cryptocurrency transfers, contract executions, supply chain data, and more. Transactions, once verified, are grouped together into blocks to be added to the blockchain. Blockchain can also support smart contracts, self-executing agreements with predefined rules. This is a topic for another video. Once a block is added to the blockchain, it is cryptographically sealed and becomes virtually immutable. This means that the data in the block cannot be altered or deleted without consensus from the majority of network participants. The transparency of the blockchain allows anyone to view the entire transaction history, enhancing trust and accountability. The decentralized nature of blockchain makes it extremely secure, as it's nearly impossible for any single entity to control or manipulate the network. So, how is cryptocurrency being used today? Cryptocurrency is being used in various ways, extending far beyond its original concept as a digital currency for online transactions. Its adoption has grown significantly, and it now plays a role in various aspects of the modern economy and society. Some people use cryptocurrencies as a store of value, similar to how gold is used. They believe that cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin can act as a hedge against inflation and economic instability. Many online retailers now accept cryptocurrencies as a form of payment, allowing customers to purchase goods and services with digital coins. Cryptocurrencies are also revolutionizing cross-border transactions, making it faster and more cost-effective to send money globally. Decentralized finance, or DeFi. These platforms leverage blockchain technology to create decentralized financial services such as lending, borrowing, trading, and yield farming. Users can access financial services without intermediaries like banks, making DeFi more inclusive and accessible. Decentralized finance is a booming industry built on blockchain, offering financial services like lending, borrowing, and trading. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, have gained popularity, allowing artists and creators to tokenize and sell unique digital assets. NFTs are unique digital assets that represent ownership of digital art, collectibles, music, and other digital content. NFTs are bought and sold using cryptocurrencies. NFTs have gained popularity especially in the art and entertainment industries. As we conclude our journey, it's clear that cryptocurrency and blockchain technology are reshaping the way we think about money and finance. The future is bright, and the possibilities are endless in this exciting digital frontier. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of cryptocurrency. To learn more and get started, check out our other videos. Make sure to subscribe to be the first to get all the crypto and financial info to set yourself up for wealth and success. Embrace the future of money, today.